Hey there, everybody. Thomas with Basecamp Trading. It is Wednesday, April 3rd, and we're going to take a look at silver. And more specifically, this is a trade I've been in for a few days now, actually since last week. It took off half profit today, but I want to explain why we're long silver and why we have a bullish bias on silver. So let's go ahead and dive in here. First off, we're going to be looking at longer time frame charts. When I say I'm long silver, what I'm actually in is SLV. I'm in 2026. At the money calls. Well, they're at the money now. They were out of the money. Looking to hold this for a longer term swing. Like I said, I've taken off half profit, but the rest of it stays on. And I've been in it since last week. So what we're looking at here is a long-term weekly and potentially monthly breakout, similar to what we've had in gold. If you look at how gold has played out here, we broke out a few weeks ago, and we've been following through ever since, looking really good. We're now at all-time highs. So we go take a look at silver once more on the weekly chart here. Our first big resistance test was right at about the 26.5 level, where we've been rejected a couple times previously. Now that gave us an open gap to move all the way up to the next big pivot high, which is 27.5 area, which we are approaching now. We're a little over 27 at the moment, as you can see. Now once we get through that, though, we're looking at 28 push, and then the major pivot highs where most of our resistance is at is around this $30 level. And these are major resistance. You can see how many times we've been rejected up here, and every time we break above it, we get hammered back down on volume. So keep an eye on this. This has potential to trigger and run much longer term. So this could just be getting started, hence the reason I'm trading the 2026 calls on this, looking for continuation long term. So keep an eye on this. It looks good so far. We want to see a strong close this week. At a minimum, we want to see a strong close above 26.5. As long as that happens, we should be clear for this to keep pushing, and I'm looking to hold it. And we'll just trail stops essentially behind each consecutive pivot low on a weekly basis as this continues to push up towards that $30 first target. And then assuming we can get a close up around like the 30.5 to 31 area on a weekly basis, we should be good for this to keep climbing. So that's my outlook for silver, what I'm paying attention to here. Hope it helps. Don't forget to like and subscribe if you're enjoying this content. And until next time, everybody, happy trading.